Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make your own DIY conditioner. You'll need a bowl, a spoon and fork, sunflower oil or olive oil, and honey. First, you take 2 tablespoons of your oil, and then 1 tablespoon or 1 fork of honey. Then you mix it all together. And yes, I have a permanent curl. So now you comb through your hair. Be sure you wash your hair again after you rinse that out, because you don't want that oily finish. So now you'll have super soft hair. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.